eso? ¿Qué estás haciendo?
This is my attempt at Chorizo Colombiano.
Está haciendo chorizo colombiano. What is that?
It's a Colombian sausage.
What is the recipe?
We've got pork loin with the fat cut up, green onion, lots of it, and garlic so far is what I've put in. And I've got some seasonings, paprika, cumin, black pepper, and some salt to put in it so that it can sit.
Okay.
If we were in Colombia, we'd let it hang out and cure in the air, but here we're probably gonna let it cure in the bowl for a while.
Okay.
Here's what they look like. It's our chorizo. We'll see what they taste like after we let them age a little bit.
Good job.
What are you doing?
Trying to make chorizos colombianos. Estamos haciendo chorizos colombianos.
So we're gonna try to make Colombian chorizos with our meat grinder sausage stuffer here. Last time I made them by hand. This should be interesting. It looks like it's working pretty awesome here.
It is.
Right, this seems to be going pretty good here. Let's
How many you have?
so far we've done 5.
That's good. So Dave now is in Colombia food. Él cocina más comida colombiana que yo. So good. This is very healthy. It's your leg. That's funny.
So what we did is we pre-cut the pork into some smaller pieces. We put all the ingredients in a bowl and just kind of let it sit and the flavors mix together a little bit. And true Colombian chorizo would not go through the chopping that this is. It'd be more bigger hunks, but this is a heck of a lot easier, so we're doing it this way. All right, there's some of our chorizo. Can't really see it too good against that wall. Six inches.
Torn. 6 inches and torn. 6 pulgadas y enrollar. 6 pulgadas y enrollar. Yeah, this is the chorizo we made. You made. So good job. So vamos a ver cómo nos quedó. Okay, let's go try. Me first. Oh, so good. Hot, hot. Tenemos a chef. This is the chef, Medellin. Look at you. Okay. Medellin. And it's gonna give the taste. What do you think? It's very good. It's absolutely good. Es chorizo colombiano. Exactly.
Muy bien.
Muy bueno. Muy bien. Wow. So everybody is gonna want it now. Good.